Congratulations on the purchase of your new Stahls Hotronix STX Auto Clam heat press. In this video, we're going to run you through exactly how to use your heat press and all the tips and tricks you need to know to get the best result every press. First things first, we're going to turn our heat press on using the red power button at the side. Make sure you're running your heat press on its own 10 amp circuit. So now we're going to adjust the temperature. Do this by using the mode button on the digital display. Press the mode button once and it will bring up the temperature control, and you can use the plus and minus buttons either side to adjust the temperature. Now we'll adjust the timer settings. Press the mode button again and increase or decrease as required. The STX Auto Clam features a dual timer feature which allows for 2 alternating press times. Make sure you're using the recommended press instructions supplied to you with your transfers. The press is essentially in standby mode while adjusting these settings. Once you're happy with your temperature and time, make sure to exit this standby mode. You don't want to see any lights on the side of the display. The press won't start to heat up and won't lock whilst in standby mode. To set the pressure, use the adjustment knob. This will raise or lower the plate, which will adjust the force used when closing the press. The digital display will show a value. We want to set this to 5. Do this by turning the knob, closing the press, and seeing what the readout says. Adjust accordingly. If you're using a smaller silicone pad at the front of your plate, make sure to add an additional one to help level out the pressure distribution from the top plate. A great feature with the Hotronix heat presses is the interchangeable base plates. This allows you to swap and change your base plates dependent on the garment you're decorating. Do this by releasing the clamp on the side and wiggling the heat plate out. Simply pull the base plate out and swap it over for the desired size. Make sure to lock it into place. Once you've set your press and you're ready to start decorating, thread your garment over the plate. Close your heat press and lock it into place. The timer will start counting down to 0. Once the press is complete, the press will automatically open. From here, you're fine to peel your transfer. While pressing, if you ever need to release the plate before it reaches 0, firmly press up on the handle. This will quickly disengage the magnet and will release the press. When threading your garment, make sure to avoid any seams, buttons or zippers, as this will impact your press. Please watch our general maintenance video on how to best care for and maintain your heat press. If you ever run into issues with your press, stop using it and contact your authorised Hotronix distributor as soon as possible, or contact Velflex directly. Thanks guys, happy pressing!